Hi, Web3 family! In the previous video, we discussed social fi, or decentralized social media, which has become increasingly popular. Today, I want to talk about the hottest social fi project, Farcaster. The crypto community is obsessed with Farcaster. Builders and active members are joining every day. Maybe you must also do the same. Watch this video and decide. Farcaster is an open protocol powered by Optimism Ops Tech for a decentralized social network that gives ownership of the relationship between consumer and creator directly into the hands of the consumer. Farcaster has raised a total of $30 million over one round from venture funds such as Andreessen Horowitz, First Round Capital, and Floodgate. Farcaster is not an application, it's a whole ecosystem. Let me describe some projects built on this protocol. First project is Icebreaker, a Farcaster-based privacy-preserving professional network. Next one is See More. It's a place for creators to set up their creator pages and profiles, showcasing their work and enhancing their relationships with their fans. Page creation is assisted and automated. The next one is Paragraph, a Web3 native publishing platform with features that help writers build a community around their newsletter using Web2 and Web3 tools. The first application is Supercast. It's an alternative client to Warpcast, the current biggest client on Farcaster, with a slightly modified experience and enhanced UX features. By the way, I met Wojtek, the founder of Supercast, at the Ethereum Warsaw meetup. He shared a lot of information about growing on Warpcast. The Warpcast social media is built on the Farcaster Protocol, so anything a creator posts is distributed to their audience unless and until the consumer decides to unfollow them. No third-party intermediary can snip that connection. Warpcaster is similar to Twitter. Users can cast or post their media, reply, recast, direct cast, and use encrypted messaging. Recently, frames were introduced on Warpcast. It's an integration for turning static web content on a cast into interactive experience. Developers can use frames to create pools, live feeds, and responsive comments to their apps directly in a cast. The Farcaster network page shows that the Warpcast app has more than 260,000 total users and more than 6,000 new users per week. This social media platform focuses on crypto natives and tech-savvy individuals, at least now. The interface is not intuitively understandable and the topics are niche and focused on Web3 culture. How will they attract a mass audience? Only hundreds of millions of users can make a social media platform thrive. Dan Romero, the co-founder and CEO of Farcaster, expressed readiness to onboard new users from the United States and pay their gas fee in the amount of $5. It's crucial to onboard as many users as possible. Do you already have an account on Warpcast or any decentralized social media platform? If so, share your experience in the comments. And by the way, you can follow me on Warpcast by the nickname Daria Strategy. Thanks for watching and see you next week.